The attack on Saif Ali Khan was a wake-up call for Bollywood, because Bollywood proudly said that they will not show their papers. But today, one such person who did not show his paper, an illegal Bangladeshi, entered the house of a famous actor. They attacked him in front of everyone. But Bollywood is sleeping. Will Bollywood talk openly about the problem of these illegal Bangladeshi even after their own communities was attacked? Will they ever make a movie or a series on this openly? The people of Bangladesh, there can be no bigger proof than this incident that they have entered the house. Investigation is ongoing, and since the matter is all judicial, new facts are coming to up every day. But till date, the facts presented by the police have revealed that the attackers, he was a Bangladeshi. He did not have any documents and he was living in Mumbai with a Hindu name. This video is going to be different from our other videos. The video will be raw. This video will be uncensored, completely unfiltered. But here, I have to ask some questions to the film industry of the country. If you want to ask them, please watch this video. Watch it till the end. And if you understand the point of this video, then let's discuss it in the comment below. Let's come straight to the point. On the 16th at 2:30 in the morning, a man entered Saif Ali Khan's house and attacked him. Otherwise, he was safe. He was demanding crores from them and was threatening their children. Police say that the intention of the attackers was theft, but despite CCTV cameras being installed in the entire building, no footage of the attackers entering in available. Yes, the attackers would have escaped using the fire exit. There is definitely footage of the incident. Police said that the attacker is a Bangladeshi who come to India illegally, and after coming to India, he changed his name to Vijay Das. Three big questions arise here. One is, how did the police know that he was a Bangladeshi? Is the police aware that Bangladeshi have entered India so early and even in Mumbai, which is so far away from Bangladesh? They are hiding. How will he get the documents? If he don't have any documents, then he should be given a house to stay and a phone to use. And how did I get all the other basic things? And third, he changed his name to a Hindu name so that no one gets suspicious. His original name is Muhammad Shariful Islam Sajada. Now let's come to Bollywood. 5 years ago, when there was talk of bring CAA, Bollywood was such a community who made it clear how majority in India are feeling treated due to CAA. But no one told what problems are there in the whole of India. Due to our borders are being secured due to lack of CAA. As if he did not notice these things, he just considered Bangladeshi threat as propaganda and never talked about it. He was presented one side of the truth to the world. I am not saying that he himself was responsible of whatever happened at SAFE or Bollywood as a community is responsible for it. Neither the failure of a law and order nor crime is responsible for it. But I have a problem with the crime of Bollywood that they present the truth to the world from only one perspective, and that is our India, a country where we consider actors as hero and whatever they say is expectable. People take it a bit too seriously. Here I want to highlight a big problem. That it was clear in this CAA that on who it applies, whom it does not apply. Be it people of the Muslim community or any majority who are already citizen of India. Those who are part of the country, who were born here, who have proper documents, this law was not made to take any way their citizenship. But still a fear was spread in the society. It was said that if any person in India without showing their paper, then he is an Indian. There should be no need to prove it. If someone is in India and he look like an Indian, then he is an Indian. This is obvious. So if someone come and ask you for your documents, then it is an insult to you. What level of fear and misinformation was spread that is increasing in the country. People in villages do not have Aadhaar card. What about them? Sex workers also have Aadhaar card and PAN card. They told me that yes, they have everything. In fact, their payment is also done through Paytm. Why not another one? That is, these workers are also used to following the system. They did not find any problem in it. But there, according to some people, asking for a slip of document has become a fashion. But is this true? I want to ask you, what do you think is the big problem? On one side is the Bollywood community who think that a common man is more worried about his problem than the others. Asking to check documents is an insult. On the other hand, not asking for documents is creating problem in the country. What is actual problem? Asking for documents or not asking for documents? Will anyone's life be lost because of asking for documents? Such a deadly attack has happened on someone in front of his family. Someone has been attacked because of not asking for documents. This is something worth thinking about. Was the Bangladeshi who attacked Saif Ali Khan working in any housekeeping service? The employee of the housekeeping service did not ask for any documents. With hearing him, no one asked for his Aadhaar card or PAN card. Will selling him a SIM card, no one asked for his other proof. When opening his bank account, whenever he was living, the owner there did not ask him who he is, where he lives, where he has come from, which country he has a citizen of. Not asking these basic questions is criminal. Asking for documents makes him like an insult to you, but not asking for documents is an insult to law and order. So, for this video, through this, I have a request to Bollywood that one more poem should be written. We will show the papers because we are proud that this country is over. And we are proud that we are law-abiding citizens. We have not done anything wrong, and showing documents is against the law and order of the country. It is threat at the order. There should be no need for the person asking for a document to feel shamed. The fear should be there for those who break the rules, because until the rule break are not aware, they will not be punished. The punishment will be given only to those who break the rules. Follow as long as these are legal. If we do not identify and depart Bangladeshi people, their burden will fall on you and us. And this is definitely dangerous for the country. Through this video, I have a request to Bollywood that we do not need to unnecessarily become a good neighbor. Yes, it is natural well those who treat us, but some of our neighbor countries attack us directly or indirectly. Raj Sleeper says in India, enter the country who spread crime. And what do we do in return? We are no. They make film like this where we saw imaginary Indian militants as villain and not Pakistani militants. They are afraid to tell the truth and for convenience create a false reality. They make false story in the name of communal harmony. Look, I am not saying that Bollywood is evil, but Bollywood is not real anymore. In Bollywood, we are told such stories again and again that a false picture is painted. Bollywood hides the truth again and again because the truth is not convenient. Let me make the very clear what happened with Tech is a security failure. I am not blaming the Bollywood community for the attack that happened on Saif, but today Bollywood has the power to present this issue as what it is and to portray it as a threat to Indian Muslims. They have the power to admit that yes, Bangladeshi illegal immigrants have entered the country, and when the time comes, they can attack us too. Then they did not remember their community. So there is no need for us to remember their community too. They only remember their community. There is no need to give space in our house. In the name of I want this video not to become a chamber of one person. I want different point of view to be presented. Even if that point of view is different from mine or completely opposite, why not? And the comment section of this video become a safe place for a healthy discussion and dialogues. So please tell us in the comments what you think about this issue. If you want your favorite celebrity to see this message and do a little self-reflection on your bubble step and see a little about the world and think about what is happening in this country, then tag them in this video so that Instagram too does not attack you. Then you will have to talk openly about this problem. You will have to ask the right questions like when will our borders be secured? When we are deported illegal Bangladeshi immigrants living in the country. CAA has come. Now how will it be implemented and when will it happen? These are important questions and it make a difference to me when I bring this important question to you.